Hi everybody, it's Jennifer.
And Claire.
We were gifted this marker set. I am so excited. Claire has been wanting one of these forever. You know, she's a crafter and this one is special. So it comes in this bag with a handle and
like, so it has a zip, so it's extra safe.
and organized.
And you get like this little like
intro card
directions or something. And then if like you have like very flimsy paper, then you can put this under the like paper so the colors don't bleed through on the other side.
I love that as a mom.
And then you have all of these colors.
So beautiful.
And if you take them all out, you'll see there's like dividers in there, which is really nice. And you also get a little pocket back here, which has like this little swatch card where you can put down all of the swatches for the markers.
And can you tell me about this blending?
Yeah, so it also comes with a blending marker. It's the number 0, and it's basically with a white tip, so you can blend colors.
All right, so these markers are special because they are two-sided. Both sides have the number and the color shown, which is great. So if you put them in upside down, you will still be able to tell. So there is, you could see on every marker, sort of this like gray side. When you take that off, that's the fine point. And the other side is more of a chisel tip that you could make many different widths. So that's a really nice feature that you have the gray versus the little knobby sticking up here to tell you thick versus thin. I love that. Claire color coded them all. I'm sorry if I'm putting them in the wrong spots. And now Claire is going to show you what every color looks like on the color tester. So here are all of the colors and the markers in use. They're really gorgeous. Claire's really enjoying them. They're perfect for all types of paper. They have wide applications. You can use them for very thin details or to color things that are larger. You can use them for canvases, paper, all the medias. These markers are amazing. We are loving them. Claire?
I highly recommend.
Highly recommend.